Good afternoon, amigos, from La Ciudad de Mexico. In today's 3-Minute Thursday, we're going to give you our final parting thoughts on the beautiful San Miguel de Allende. But first, one of our Connecticutans amigos on Twitter, Rogelio, said we were using our drone too much. So just because I'm extremely hard-headed, I decided to make an entire video of drone shots, and I think it turned out well. Cue the drone. Well, hopefully a few of those shots do the city justice. I know combined with some of our other videos, hopefully you got a pretty good glimpse into what San Miguel de Allende looks like. But some of those shots from the drone, it's just, you cannot replicate that any other way. Absolutely incredible. We highly enjoyed our time in San Miguel de Allende. It's one of the places that has been, it's in like every travel magazine, every retirement magazine right now is featuring San Miguel de Allende. It just seems to be like the hot spot. I think as a whole, the weather seems great. The people seemed excellent. The food was delicious. I think it's a city that you have to visit. Now, a lot of you guys have been commenting about other places we need to go and places that you enjoy more than San Miguel de Allende, and I think that is my final point, is that our overall thoughts about San Miguel de Allende, or from our takeaway from the trip to San Miguel de Allende, is not necessarily that we want to move there, but that we want to travel throughout more of Mexico. Every time we go to a new place, we are just stunned, surprised. I wish I could think of another S word for some good alliteration there, but I can't because I'm sick. But it just makes us want to travel through Mexico even more. And unfortunately, every time we travel to a place, I think we're gonna say, I want to live here. We want to live in this place for the next year, or the next, I don't know, a year to us is like super long term. But unfortunately, every time we go someplace, I just think, I don't want to settle down for a year. I want to continue traveling, and maybe eventually we'll find the place that is like a perfect home base for us. But until now, or until then, hopefully we can continue enjoying our life here in Mexico City and traveling throughout this great area of Mexico. We are, again, way over 3 minutes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those drone shots. If you haven't seen our other San Miguel de Allende videos, we have a playlist I will link below for our other 3 San Miguel de Allende videos. That way we can get a better overall picture of what our San Miguel trip looked like, and you can kind of see what the city itself looks like, not from the air necessarily. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. click the bell, that way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I do want to say a special thank you to everybody who did contribute to our quote-unquote drone fund, whether it's through PayPal donations, our Patreon page, when we did Facebook or YouTube lives. A lot of you contributed money through I can't remember what it's called, but through YouTube you can donate money. So thank you to everybody who donated money to that. Because of you guys, we are attempting to create more and more videos, more interesting videos with better equipment, like the camera this is shot on and the drone. So thank you guys so very much, and we will see you tomorrow.